It's been 3 days and I'm like kind of over this style. My hair is crazy because I was just trying a few styles before I did this. But as I was doing it, I'm like, oh, let me share this. Okay, so wetting your hair, re-wetting it, even on day 3 is going to reactivate the products that you had used prior. So today we're not going to use any products. We're just going to spritz it a little bit with water, and we're going to try a half up, half down pony with a clip. Okay. So this is what I'm using today. My, what is this? Amped Up by Cricut. This is actually a teasing brush. So I'm going to use my teasing brush and this little claw clip and an elastic. All right. So we're going to do half up, half down, like I said. So I am mainly wetting the top half of my roots area. You kind of want it snatched. All right. Obviously, I like my front pieces down, like I've said. So I'm pretty cool with those pieces. All right. I kind of slicked it all back. All right, so typically when I do my half up, half down pony, I like to use my cheekbones as a guide to how high I want it, just to kind of contour my face a little bit, get a little facelift. So if I weren't going to use the clip, I would probably do it right here. But we're gonna try and throw in some like high school 2003, 4 little clip in it. So I'm not gonna do it right there. I'm gonna do it slightly lower so you don't have some Austin Power Beyonce hair going on. Believe me, when I just tried this, I did it and I was feeling a little Austin Powers groove. So this is where I would do it if I wasn't doing the clip. You see your bone, your cheekbone here. I'm gonna bring it more towards my jawline here. You still want it to be a snatched pony, meaning nice and tight and crisp on the sides. So I definitely encourage using some type of brush with bristle combs. Right. So I'm happy with that. So flip. Clip. Secure. There we go. It's like my freshman year all over again. Here we go. This is the vibe. It's coming back. So I just wanted to, freshen everybody up. This is day 3. Great hairstyle for honestly any style. If your hair's straight, waved, curled, this is a great way to kind of switch it up, get your hair off, the front of your face, and be cute. All All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.